My name is Adam, and I'm a student. I prepared for various competitive exams. I was good in maths, but weak in English. English was mystery for me.
But then I came across politeenglish.com. And trust me when I say this, politeenglish.com changed my life forever and for good.
I cracked various exams like CAT, GRE, GMAT, IELTS, etc.
So what are we waiting for? Bhai, इंतजार किस बात का? Let's have a quick look on the course we are going to study. Come on.
So today we are going to learn some new words from Ravan. Yes, you heard it correct. R-A-V-A-N, Ravan के V से हमारे पास word आता है valiant, which means brave. Now grammatical status of valiant is an adjective, यानी कि विशेषण. Now generally the words that ends with ant in the end are termed as adjective. Now brave can also be used either as a verb or as an adjective. When brave is used as a verb, it means to face. But generally we use brave as an adjective, which means valiant. Now we have some more synonyms of brave. So for that, we have BSc, MSc and PhD. ये सब डिग्रियां नहीं है, इनके फुल फॉर्म्स में आपको बताता हूँ. B से brave, S से spunky और C से courageous. अब इस spunky का एक और मीनिंग है. It has a second meaning which is energetic. बहुत ही फुर्तीला. इंग्लिश में यूजुअली क्या होता है, one word can have multiple meanings. जैसे MSc का फुल फॉर्म है M से meddlesome, S से stout और C से chivalrous. Stout also means fat या physically strong. We can also use stout in those sense also. Or chivalrous has also got a second meaning which is courteous towards women.
And now comes PhD. P से plucky, H से heroic और D से doughty. Now plucky also has a second meaning which is energetic, यानी कि फुर्तीला. And apart from these, other useful synonyms of brave are valiant, gallant, intrepid, fearless, validus, game, ballsy. Now generally ballsy is used for women and have a go. Now have a go is a phrasal adjective which is used to indicate a person who bravely intervenes in an attempt to thwart a criminal. And apart from them, bold and daring, it can be used in both positive and a negative sense.
Now let's take a quick look on some sentences on these words. Well, so guys and girls, I would really like you to join our course on www.politeenglish.com क्योंकि वहां पे आप अपनी इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी और ग्रामर को सिर्फ बेहतर नहीं बल्कि बहुत बेहतर और सुपर्ब बना सकते हैं. और अगर आप जयपुर राजस्थान में हैं और इंग्लिश और मैथमेटिक्स की क्लास ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, so you just have to send in your name and phone number at englishhulk96@gmail.com. Well, I'll spell this out for you. It's englishhulk96@gmail.com and we will contact you and provide you with further details within no time. Alright guys, well आप सबका ये वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया guys. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Do share it with your friends and family. Guys, please share this video. Share knowledge. Wish you all the best.